Friends, today I am going to tell you something about PO authorization and PO unauthorization. As you have seen earlier in videos, how to create purchase intent, purchase authorization, purchase order. Now I am going to tell you purchase order authorization. So this is option for authorization on the left hand side you see, and you are also having option to authorize purchase orders right from dashboard. You can use any option. So I am first clicking this option. So this is a form open in front of your screen. There are 5 filters. First one is company name, that is fixed because you are having right for only single company. If you are having right for multiple companies, then the option is available for you to select which company you are going to authorize the purchase order. I selected material. I can select PO type name, and these four are optional. So I may click directly on show pending PO for authorization. So this PO is available for authorization. I can do 3 things from here. I can authorize the PO, or I can cancel the PO, I don't need, or I can directly double click on the PO and view the contents and modify if I wish to. Suppose I want to modify this tolerance for this item. Right. I can take print from here, but not it now. After this, I can authorize directly and save it. Yeah. Now the PO is authorized. You are having one more option, PO unauthorization. Yes, again the same panel is visible. Click on this, you will see all the PO which are authorized. If you wish to unauthorize it, you can directly click this, or if you wish to modify or you want to see the record, you can double click on that. But you cannot modify this because it is already authorized. You cannot modify this. It's taking a little bit of time from the server. So this is the PO. I cannot modify, as I said you that this cannot be modified. I can only see because the PO is authorized. I click on this. Oh, sorry. I click on this, and this, and the PO is again unauthorized. If I go again in the authorization module, the same PO or for modification or for modification or for modification or for modification or for cancellation. It depends on me what I want to do with the PO. See, that PO is again available. I authorize it again. Done. Another point is, if I wish to close the PO, suppose we don't need the material from the vendor, or there is any dispute with the vendor, we can close the PO by using this option, or we can reopen the POs. Suppose I don't need this material, so I close, simply click on the close and save it. So now the PO is closed. It won't go further for MRN receipts. We can take printout by using this. All authorized PO are and unauthorized PO are available in this option for printing. There are 3 options available in this: printing, creation, PDF creation, and emailing. You can do all 3. For example, I want to take print of this, or want to email, I directly click on this, it will go to the vendor's email. I directly click on this, it will create PDF into my system. I directly click on this, it will get printed. So these are three options available here. So I've just told you about four options: PO authorization, PO close, reopen, and PO print. Thanks.